Hello everyone, my name is Jenna and today I'm gonna be explaining the week 5 CA quiz for math. So here it says consider the system of equations multiplying both sides of the first equation by 3 and adding the two equations side by side and simplifying yields 0 equals 0. So I would solve it for you and show you how we would get the answer, but here it already says simplifying yields 0 0. So the answer is 0 0. And as we all know, 0 equals 0 means infinitely many solutions, right? So here we would be choosing it has infinitely many solutions. Which of the following is a linear inequality in two variables? What is a linear inequality? A linear inequality is when we have these signs. Do you guys know what these signs is? So this one is greater than, this one's less than. This one is greater than or equal to, and this one's less than or equal to. Some cases we can use not equal to. Okay, so let's go back here. So here we have 7x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 10, which is wrong because we have xy, x times y. It has to be x and y alone. So it's incorrect. Here we have negative x plus 3y is less than 1, which is correct. We have 5y is greater than or equal to 12, which is also correct. Here we have x plus y is equal to 0. The thing here is this a linear equation, not a linear inequality. So if they were asking for a linear equation, this would be a correct answer. But in this case, it's an incorrect answer. We have 6x squared plus y is less than or equal to 1, which is incorrect because we can't have our variables to be squared. 2x plus 4y is not equal to 0 is a correct answer. Okay, here we have in this question, this is a tricky question. So if you guys don't understand from what I'm saying, then I'm sorry. So here we have the inequality. So the solution set to y is less than 2x consists of all points. So what does that mean? What does y is less than 2x mean? So these points that lie below the line are equal, or for are y equals 2x. Why? Okay. Okay. So here, for example, the point 1, 2. So the point 1, 2, right? 1, 2 is not a part of the solution because it is on the line, okay? So when it's on the line, it cannot be a part of the solution. But then if we have 1, 1, 1, 1, it is a part of the solution, okay? Because if we have 1, 1, that means 1 is less than 2, right? So that is correct. Okay, so um the answer is going to be in the shaded region without the bordering line. Okay, so anything in this shaded region, not on the line, is correct. Wait, but let me tell you why not on the line. Okay, so I told you if we have 1, 2, that means 2 is less than 2. That's incorrect. Okay, let's continue to number 4. What is the value of A, B? Okay, so if we have no solution, we're going to put 1, 1, 1. If we have infinitely many solutions, we're going to put 9, 9, 9. So let us check. Okay, so we want to find x, so we're going to have to eliminate y. So we're multiplying down by 2. So 10x minus 6y equals 12. Negative 5, sorry, negative 10, because we're multiplying by 2. Negative 10x plus 6y equals 22. Get rid of x, get rid of y, because 0 plus 0 equals to 32, 34. Oh, I'm sorry, 34. Okay, so that means 0 equals to 34, which is no solution. Okay, so here is where we're gonna put 1, 1, 1. Okay, number 5. Here, what is the value of x again? Same question, different numbers. So we're gonna multiply it down by -2 so we can eliminate y. -20x plus 12y equals 24. And down is gonna become 20x minus 12y equals -24. We can cancel these out, it's gonna become 0. Cancel these out, it's gonna become 0. Cancel these out, it's gonna become 0. So 0 equals 0. And as I told you at the start of the video, 0 equals 0 means infinitely many solutions. So in this case, we would be typing 9, 9, 9. Okay, let's see this question. To eliminate y, we multiply both sides of the first equation by 5 and both sides of the second equation by. So here we want to eliminate y. So what's -2 times 5, which is -10? So down it has to be +10. What's 5? Wait, what's 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay? So here they want to find x and y. Okay. Since we're multiplying up by 5 and down by 2, 3 times 5 is 15x minus 10y equals what is 32 times 5? 32 times 5 is 160, I think. Yes, 160. We're multiplying down by 2 is going to be 4x plus 10y equals 68. So we can simplify, so it's going to be 0. So 19x plus 0 equals to 228. So it's going to be 19 x equals 228. X equals to 12 because 228 divided by 19 is 12. Now we need to find y. So we can simplify it in this equation. We can substitute, I mean. So what is x? 2 plus 5y equals 34. So 24 plus 5y equals 34. Take 24 to the other side, minus 24. 5y equals 10. Y equals 2. So x is 12 and y is 2. X is 12, y is 2, and we said 19x is 228. Next question. So here we have within a system of equations, fill in the blank with a whole number to solve the system above using and here we need to use combination. Multiplying both sides of 10, x minus y equals 8 by 3. So we need to multiply by 3. So what's 10 times 3 is 30. Negative y times 3 is negative 3y. And 8 times 3 is 24. Now we need to add the equation that we just filled in, done with this equation side by side. What's 30x plus x is 31x. You cancel out the y. 38 plus 24 is 62. 31x equals 62. So what is x? X is going to be 2. And then now we need to substitute. So here we can substitute. We can substitute it in this equation. So 2 plus 3y equals 38. 38 minus 2 is going to be 36. So 3y equals 36. Okay. Y equals to 12. Number 8. It's the same concept. Okay, multiplying both sides by 3. So what's 2x times 3 is 6x. Negative y times 3 is negative 3y. And 1 times 3 is 3. So add side by side. 6x plus x is 7x. Cancel out the y. 3 plus 18 is 21. So 7x equals 21. X is going to be 3. And here we substitute to find y. We can substitute it here. 3 plus 18 is 21. 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 3 plus 18 is 3 plus 3y equals 18. Take it to the other side, minus 3. 3y is going to be equal to 15. Y equals to 5. Okay, here they want to eliminate y, so we multiply up by 2. On the second equation so if we eliminate y, up is 6, so that has to be by 3. Adding the two, okay, we solve up by 2, by 2 and down by 3. So 10x plus 6y equals to 8, negative 6x, sorry, minus 6y equals to 12. Okay, cancel out the y. 10x plus negative 6x is negative, sorry, is positive 4x equals to 20. X equals to 5. Substitute it in one of them, we can substitute it here. 5 times 5 plus 3y equals 4. 20 plus 3y equals to 4. So take 20 to the other side. 4 minus 20. Sorry, it's 4 minus 25. It's 25, no, my mistake, sorry. 4 minus 25 is negative 21. So 3y equals negative 21. Y equals to negative 7. So as we said, x is 5 and y is negative 7. Okay. Number 10. Okay. For this question, I need you guys to pay attention because this is also a bit tricky. Okay. Going downstream, 120 kilometers took 4 hours. Going upstream, the same distance took 12 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is x kilometer per hour, what is the value of x? So, in this question, it's a bit complicated, but I'll solve. So, paying for the speed, and we know that speed is distance divided by time, okay? So, speed is distance divided by the time. So, the information they gave us is the downstream time and the upstream time. So downstream is 4 hours, upstream is 12 hours. The distance is 120 kilometers. The formulas we're gonna use is downstream. So down is gonna be x plus y. Up is gonna be x minus y. Okay. So we said distance divided by time. So first we're gonna calculate the downstream. So it's gonna be 120 divided by 4 equals to x plus y, which is gonna be 120 divided by 4 is 30. So x plus y equals to 30. Now upstream, which is 120 divided by 10, sorry, by 12, equals to x minus y. So x minus y equals to 10. Now we're gonna add both, we're gonna solve for x and y, so we're gonna add both equations. So x plus y plus x minus y equals to 30 plus 10. So x plus x is 2x, y minus y, cancel it out. 30 plus 10 is 40, so 2x plus 40. X equals to 20. That is it, so 20 kilometer per hour. Mhm. Okay, for this one, the sum of two numbers is 60. The larger number is 6 more than twice the smaller number. Let x be the larger number and y be the smaller number. Okay, so x plus y x plus y is equal to 60. Okay? That's the sum of two numbers. Now, the larger number, so we said x is small, y is, wait, no, x is the larger number. X is large, y is small, okay? Now, the larger number is 6 more than twice the smaller number. So we're gonna have x is equal to 2y plus 6 because y, they said that the larger number, so the larger number is x, right? Is 6 more than twice the smaller number. So twice the smaller numbers is 2 times y, okay? So substitute x, this one, into here. So we're gonna have 2y plus 6 plus y equals to 60, yes? Take 6 to the other side. 3y equals to 66. Oh no, sorry. Sorry. Take 6 to the other side, you're gonna subtract. 60 minus 6 is 54. 3y equals 54, y equals to 18. Now we need to substitute y equals 18 into this equation again. So x equals to 2 times 18 plus 6. So x equals to 36 plus 6, which is 42. Okay? So we have x equals to 42 and y equals to 18. Okay, how many dots represents the points that belong to the set of y is greater than or equal to -2? So y is greater than or equal to -2. Let's check. Here, this is a -2, this is a -2, this is a -2, okay? So for 3 points, -1 is greater than -2, so we count that as an extra point. 0 is greater than -2, extra point. This is at 1y, extra point. This is at 2y, extra point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 points. Here, the last question. How many of the dots represents points that belong to the solution of set y is greater than x? Let's check. Okay. Here, what do we have? We have negative here. Here we have -2, and here 1. Is that greater? Yeah, so that's 1 point. 2. Here we have -1, 3. That's greater. That's another point. Here we have, we have 3, 2. That's incorrect. Here we have 1, 2. That's correct. So we have 3 of the dots represents points that belong to the solution y is greater than x. I hope you guys understood. If you guys didn't understand, you can always still ask me and I can go into deeper explanation to explain for you this quiz. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry. I realized how badly I explained because I kept making mistakes, but I fixed my mistakes. Don't worry. Next time I'll explain better. Thank you. Bye.